Good morning, good morning, good morning. So welcome back to my channel. My name is Anita, formerly known as Darling Anita. I talk about lifestyle, travel, fashion, beauty videos. And if this is something you love, hit that subscribe button and don't forget to hit that notification bell because I do upload videos every week. And so yeah, I am getting myself together. This is another vlog. Just I have a lot of things going on that I have to take care of on today, and then also I'm a little tired. I did not get any sleep last night. Actually, I did not go to sleep until 3 this morning, and right now it is 9:16. I got up at 8 o'clock to get myself together. So, you know, I didn't have them before I was asleep. So this girl is on low energy. So I'm going to go ahead and put these iPads up under my eyes to help me out a little. And people looking at me like, what is this girl worrying about? Child. I just couldn't sleep. And I know a lot of people would say, when God keeps you up like that, He's talking to you, you know. So these edges on my hair, honey. Ooh. Okay. Let's see, would this help me a little? I've already ate my breakfast. I'm not really hungry. I last ate was on yesterday before 6. I finished eating, I think, around about 5:30 yesterday, and I'm just eating. So I just ate 2 fried eggs and some tea. I didn't want no coffee on this morning. I did not have any taste for coffee. There's some people, they master this. Boy, how do they master doing these edges? Well, honey, I'm going to do what I can do. I'm going to do what Anita can do. Anita can do. So this is what I'm wearing, a simple jogging suit. This jogging suit is Guess. I got this when I was in Vegas. Now the shoes that I am wearing my Converse. I'm like hesitant to wear these because it's supposed to rain on today, and I don't want to be out in the midst of everything and my shoes get messed up. But yeah, that's what I'm wearing, and I'm gonna be carrying my everyday bag, Steve Madden bag. Yeah, let me try to get on up out of here, but I'm just gonna go ahead and wear my glasses because I can tell that I am really sleeping right about now. I'm tired. Where is my little cloths? Oh God. So yeah, I'm gonna wear these to try to conceal that. Lipstick that I am going to wear. This is my everyday gloss that I got from Ulta Beauty. I love this gloss. It keeps my lips moist. Yeah, this is just my everyday gloss. Give me that like pink. That pink in my lips. So yeah, that is what I am wearing. You guys, I am tired. You could just see it in my eyes. I'm freaking tired. But anywho, let me get up out of here. And yeah, I'll see you in a minute. So I'm gonna go to I'm trying to figure out what store I want to go to. Do I want to go to Costco or do I want to go to I know I want to go to Aldi's. I want to go to yeah, I think I need to go to Costco because I want to get some eggs, because the eggs that we get at Kroger, it just seems like it just don't last. That one carton, it be gone in a week. And normally the time when we get our eggs from Costco, that it carries us for a little longer than a week. And then I know I need to get some stuff for the week for work to eat. I don't know. Everything is still up in the air, but where I need to go and where I want, what I want to do. I'm trying to figure out, do my Bam Bam need anything? I'm so hungry. Oh my God. We're going to have to take this food back so I can get me something to eat, because this is not going to work.
Hello.
Hi.
It's a super greens organic smoothie.
Okay.
It has avocado, kale, and spinach, but it has peaches, mango, and pineapple.
I can taste it. Thank you. That's what she was telling me right here. Hi.
Hi.
This is what she was saying. Thank you.
I'd rather do the bread without that. Whatever you prefer.
That's hummus.
I don't like that.
Thank you. I'm so full. Oh my God, that stuff was so good. I got the Red Robin burger, and that was the meatless, the vegan patty. and it had the egg, and I wanted the egg runny. Then I had the endless fries. Oh my God, it was so good. And then the drink was the strawberry lemonade drink. Oh my God. I had the option to get that or with the one with the liquor, but the one with the liquor was not refills. The one without the liquor was refills. So I said, girl, give me the one without the liquor. Oh my God. Because it was everything about Red Robin was amazing, from customer service to the food. We had to wait like 20 minutes, but that was fine. IKEA Memphis is supposed to be closing in May. So we're going to see what's here on sale, because I am looking to get me a new desk. And if they got one on sale, I am going to get it. So waiting on hubby. It's raining. I am still full. Oh, y'all, that food was so good. Oh, my God. All right. Fingers crossed that they got some stuff on sale that I can grab and bring home.